So let's see question number 161 until 165. Your first question is matching column 1 and column 2 with the type of WBC and the percentage of the cells in the blood. Okay. So there is a mnemonic. Okay. Remember it. You can never let monkey eat banana. And the letter never, N and the L and the M and the E and the B. Okay. This will be neutrophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, eosinophil, and the basophil. Okay, so this is highest to lowest. So based on the mnemonic, let's try to give them the numbering. So this is the first one. Never let monkey, okay, eat banana. Okay. Then on column to match it. Okay. So if I match the neutrophil, I give for fourth number. Okay. Never let monkey, I will eat for second number, and eat first one, and the basophil will go to the least one, okay, which is the third. So if I number them, it will be A will goes to 4, then B will go to 3, C will go to 2, and then D will go to 1. Okay. So option C, it matches 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, and 1, right? So the answer is option C. The next question is about the vital capacity of the lung. Okay. So if you see the total lung capacity, it includes everything. Inspired reserve volume, tidal volume, functional residual volume, everything, all. Okay. And basically when you say the total lung volume, it includes everything. Like when you inhale forcefully, okay, the volume of air in your lungs is known as the total lung capacity. Okay. So based on that, if we check, okay, that what options is given, right? So vital capacity is the maximum amount of air a person can exhale after a maximum inhalation. So you inhale maximum, okay, so this air in your lungs, okay. So there was already air in your lungs, then you inhale, okay, that will be total lung capacity. You exhaled out, okay, when you talk about vital capacity, you exhaled out, all the air gone, but still there will be residual volume, okay, which cannot be removed, okay, which you cannot remove it, okay. So when you talk about the total lung volume, this equals vital capacity along with the residual volume. So if I talk about the vital capacity, this will be include total lung capacity minus total lung capacity, okay, subtracted by the residual volume. Okay, that will be the vital capacity. And if we match with the option given, it matches with the option A. Okay, so your answer will be A option, which is total lung capacity subtracted by residual volume. Okay, that will give you the vital capacity. The next option, okay, if you compare again, plasmid are extra chromosomal DNA. Okay, this should be AMPR. Okay, AMPR is a selectable marker. Okay, TI plasmid or tumor-inducing plasmid belongs to Agrobacter tumefaciens. Chitinase, it contains ACE, it's an enzyme. Okay, so based on that, if we compare, okay, so we have A will go to 2, B will go to 1, C will go to 4, and D will go to 3. Okay, so 2143 is option B, isn't it? 2143 is option B. Okay, so your answer is B. The next question, the imbalance in concentration of sodium, okay, ion and potassium ion and proteins across the membrane generate resting potential. That's true. Okay, to do that, there is a Sodium potassium pump. This is a sodium potassium pump. Okay, and you can see outside there's a high sodium and low potassium, and inside you can see there's a high potassium and low sodium. Okay, apart from that, there are negatively charged protein which are also inside, and because of this, the membrane surface is outside is positively charged and inside is negatively charged. Okay, right, and it makes the cell into a resting membrane potential. So the first option is the first assertion is true. Okay. To maintain the unequal distribution of sodium ion, potassium ion, the neurons use electricity energy. No, they uses ATP, right? ATP to do that. So it is wrong or false. Okay. So based on that, we see which option suits. So A is correct, but R is not correct. Okay. So we'll choose B. Answer will be B. It do not use electrical energy, but it generate electrical energy. Okay. If you remember generation of nerve impulse, okay, you might have remembered. Okay, it's used to generate the electricity, but it's not using the electricity. Okay, then the last question in this section is the classification of organism based on the evolution relationship. It's called phylogenetic analysis, a direct question, right? So here your answer will be D. Answer is D. If you want to know the other options, okay, so biosystematics, the A option, biosystematics, it tells you about the or it classifies the organism based on genetic, morphological, and ecological data. Okay, genetic data, morphology, and ecological information. Okay, if you see the phonetics, okay, it classify based on the overall similarity using number of traits. Okay, it classifies based on similarities, but not evolutionary relationship. And see numerical taxonomy. Okay, it takes large number of characters and statistics and use computer program, okay, to give points to each characters. Okay, and based on that it classify. Okay, so for evolution, the question asks you the evolutionary relationship. It's a direct question. Okay, you don't need to get confused. Okay, directly can go to phylogenetic relationship. Okay, so for this ends this session. Okay, see you next video, next session.